So here's a good idea for packing those more unusual items. Just got these two items here, and we're going to pack these with bubble chip for safe transit. So a good idea is the box that you're going to use. What we do is we cut a flap in the bottom, and then this later on can be used to get your bubble chip back out again, rather than spilling it all over the floor. We've got these two items. What I would tend to do is put a dividing section in the box. We've got our bubble chip. Just because that's probably the most vulnerable part. Always make sure the boxes are full right to the top, saves crushing when they're in transit. One globe. And if we're right on the tape, then we can use the box again. And there you have your box all ready for transporting.